In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel sheet in Word. We will walk through what to do when your embedded Excel table will not let you edit it inside Word. First, double-click the Excel sheet. Look at your Word document and find the embedded table that should behave like a mini spreadsheet. It will usually have grid lines and familiar Excel-style cells. Move your mouse over that table until the pointer changes from the text cursor to the regular arrow. Then double-click directly on any cell in that table. Once you double-click, watch what happens to the screen. The ribbon at the top of Word should change to show Excel-style tabs and icons. You might see options like formulas and data, just like in normal Excel. The table area will now act like an Excel editing interface, but it is still inside your Word document. Try clicking a cell and typing some new text or a number, then press Enter. If the embedded Excel table is working, you can also try simple calculations. Type a number in one cell, another number in the cell below, then in a third cell type an equal sign and a basic formula. When you press Enter, the result should appear just like it would in Excel. To finish editing and return fully to Word, click somewhere outside the table area, for example in the normal text of your document. The ribbon will switch back to the usual Word tabs. If nothing happens when you double-click, or the table does not respond correctly, stay calm and continue. Sometimes the embedded Excel object in a Word file becomes corrupted and will not open the Excel editing view anymore. When that happens, the most reliable fix is to remove the broken object and insert a fresh one from the original Excel file. Next, reinsert the Excel sheet. Start by opening the original Excel file that contains the correct data. Make sure you can see the exact range of cells that you want to appear in Word. With your mouse, click and drag to select those cells. When the cells are highlighted, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy them to the clipboard. After that, switch back to your Word document. Click once in the document where you want the spreadsheet to appear. A blinking cursor should show the insertion point. Go to the Home tab, then move to the Paste button. Click the small arrow next to Paste to open the full list of paste options. From that menu, choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. As soon as you choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object, Word inserts the copied cells as a new embedded Excel object. You should now see a clean table that matches your Excel selection. Double-click this new table and you will again see the Excel editing interface appear inside Word, with full cell editing available. You have now either reactivated editing for your existing Excel sheet in Word or replaced a broken object with a fresh, working embedded worksheet. If this helped you get your Excel table editable again, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and if you like fixes like this, consider subscribing for more.